Welcome back to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel. In this video, I'm reporting on a new change that has come to Xbox. Before we dive into the video, I'd like to ask you all to do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to watch this video all the way through until the end so you can soak up all of the value that I'm giving to you here. Now without further ado, let's get into the content of the video. Xbox adds more than 70 new games to its backwards compatibility library. In the live stream celebrating the 20th anniversary, Xbox announced the addition of 76 Xbox 360 and Xbox original games to its backwards compatibility catalogue. Some of these games included in the catalogue are entire Max Payne system, Dead or Alive Ultimate, and Star Wars Jedi Knight 2. Now some of you may be thinking, well, how do I find my backwards compatibility games? So of course I'm going to show you how to find your backwards compatibility games on your Xbox console. I will walk you through step by step. Let's dive in. From the Xbox dashboard home, press the Xbox home button on your controller. Then you can scroll down to the bottom of this menu and select the store. We've done it this way because everyone should have this at the bottom of their side menu. This then opens up the Xbox Microsoft Store. From the Xbox Microsoft Store, you want to find your backwards compatibility games. Let's do that now. Scroll over to the side menu, then select Games, then select Games Home. Here you will now find a backwards compatibility menu. From the backwards compatibility menu, you can press the X button to show all. And as you can see, you can now see all of the backwards compatibility games that are available to you on your Xbox console. Bayonetta is an absolute brilliant game, by the way, and also a game that I recommend that you should play if you haven't played it, because it's an absolute wicked hack and slasher game. Now you can also scroll through to see what other games you have currently available to you. You can see that some of these are installable to me already. Now what's very interesting to me is I've had some of these games previously on my Xbox console, but they wasn't digital downloads, they were the discs. But if they were a digital download, of course it should be available to you already. For example, Crackdown is already owned to me. The reason why this is owned to me, because it was a digital download. Now scrolling through, you can also see that some of these are actually on Game Pass as well, and that might be another reason why you may have them already in your library, ready to download and use. If it's available on Xbox Game Pass and you have Xbox Game Pass, you'll be able to install this straight away. There is also other games, for example, if you have another subscription like EA Play, because you're an Xbox Ultimate subscription owner, this will also be a case where the game will be available to you in your backwards compatibility library, ready to install. But there are many games available to you that are backwards compatible that you can start playing today. Xbox 360 games and original Xbox games now available. You can also access your full library, where you can find, if you're an Xbox Series S owner for example, all of the digital downloaded games that you currently own. By pressing all games in the full library, you will be able to find these games. For example, there is Crackdown 2 here that I can download, and Dark Souls is another backwards compatible game that I have on my Xbox console. If I select a backwards compatible game, I will be able to install this to my Xbox console like so. That has now begun to install Hydro Thunder onto my Xbox console. This is backwards compatible and was not originally created for the current generation games console that I have. This is another incentive for you to upgrade, as you will not be losing those games that you have installed on your previous Xbox console. I've taught you how to add your old Xbox profile to your new Xbox console, and you can find that video in the end screen of this video. Keep all of your achievements and keep all of your previously installed games on your Xbox profile when you upgrade to a new console or change to a new console for whatever reason. Let's show you what it looks like when you start a backwards compatibility game. As you can see, this is an Xbox 360 game. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe here to the Anthony Allen YouTube channel for more videos like this. With that said, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.
Hydro Thunder! Hurricane!